Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. It's Monday, and I wanted to pop in today to talk about something a little bit technical around China. When is it a good time to actually implement an accounting software system for your organization? And are you aware of what exists on the market? So I get a lot of inquiries, or not inquiries. I have a lot of conversations with entrepreneurs, companies, small, medium-sized companies who are coming into the Chinese market, and they are looking to outsource, but they don't quite ask the right questions when it comes down to what software system is being used, how can that be integrated into the company, and eventually if they want to go it alone, what does that mean regarding the software system? So we get a lot of entrepreneurs who want to save money, and they save money in the wrong areas. One of them being the administrative department, so the accounting department ultimately. And their philosophy is, we've got minimal transactions so we can do everything in Excel. And that's how they start. They do everything in Excel. Is this right or wrong? I can't really tell you. All I can say is at the point that the business becomes operationally stable, revenue is streaming in regularly, costs are being controlled, then they realize that actually the Excel sheets that they're looking at don't tell them anything. And they don't know how to make decisions. So I want to come on today and just implore companies to really make an investment in terms of the administrative side of their business when they are incorporating their entities in China. And when we are talking about administering stuff, it's investing in a software system that works for you and works for your budget. Because I agree, I also would not want to spend 100,000 RMB on this beautiful software system when I only have maybe one or two bookkeeping entries a month. It wouldn't make sense. But there are alternatives out there. There are cloud-based alternatives out there that can guide you and aid you and are so easy to use, but they still give you a proper structure to your business in terms of developing a P&L, balance sheet, trial balance, cash flow statement, an accounts receivable listing, etc. Okay? Most importantly, an aged accounts receivable listing, which is critical when you're trying to follow up for payments. So I have recently had a couple of conversations where companies are at a stage in their business growth in China where they've been doing everything out of Excel. They're struggling to make decisions. They're struggling on how to improve their processes, either with payment with their suppliers or just generally the internal structure of their organization. And have a conversation with somebody. Okay, a conversation is free of charge. And you can always learn tips and tools about how to improve things through one conversation. Whether that's a cheap software system that is awesome for the Chinese market, or understanding little things on how to improve the operations. Doesn't mean that you want to outsource everything fully, but you need a little bit of advisory to get you that one step further to know what your next action plan is. So if the question is, I can't make any decisions based on the Excel sheets that I'm reading, you are probably at a stage now where you definitely, by tomorrow, have to update your software systems to move into something else. All right? If you are looking to be acquired or you're looking to acquire investors into your organization and you don't have a software system available, I do not know how those investors are going to analyze your books in order to be able to evaluate your company. So come and have a discussion. I'm going to give you my contact details. Let's see whether you need to upgrade the way you're doing administration work to make sure that it's legible, clear, and decisions can be made, and you can convince people to work for you because they know the numbers that are in your business. Reach out today and let's have that conversation. We're in the middle of the year. If you want to fix things, now is the time to do it. You've got 6 months to implement so that by 1st of January 2022, you've got a system in place. Let's speak soon. Take care and have a fantastic afternoon. Bye.